there you go. It's really cool. It looks like it's plastic, but it's not plastic. All paper. The tape is plastic, but the packaging that this comes in. I like using these mainly to put over other tapes. If I'm using another clear tape, usually the clear tape would like undo itself, start flaking about. So I basically know or just trust that if I use this, that it's going to stay. So what I do is I use the other, comes in a set of 6. I will use that. I will wrap it round, and then I would go, even if it's just a little bit of this, I would take that. And of course you can recycle this guy, and that's all. It's tape. Not sure if they make the bigger ones. If they did, I would buy those as well. And yeah, so I do have another one of these, and I'll always buy them, even if it's just, yeah, to use at the last part of it. And of course, sometimes to just make sure the label stays in place, then you use that. And that is this guy. Link obviously down below. I think they do last quite long without it drying out. Well, especially that it's in this nice little package. It doesn't need to be in such a nice package, but it is.